Let's start by creating a Vue directive called Draggable. In the binding function, we set the element's draggable property to true. This is necessary for the browser to know that this particular element can be dragged. Next, we add an event listener for the dragStart event. In the callback function, we utilize the data transfer object from the event to set the data that will be transferred when the element is dragged. Here we are setting the data type to text, and the value is being pulled from the directives binding. Moreover, we add a dragging class to the element that can be used to apply custom styles, such as changing the opacity or adding a border, while the element is being dragged. We also register an event listener for the dragged event to clean up after the dragging action is complete. When dragging ends, we remove the dragging class. This could be used to revert any temporary styling changes made during the drag operation. Moving on, we create another Vue directive called Droppable. This directive defines behavior for the drop target where draggable elements can be dropped. We add an event listener to the Draggable event to specify the drop target. The prevent-default call is crucial as it allows the drop to occur. Without this, the drop event will not be fired. Also, a class Draggover is added to the element, giving us a way to visually indicate that the element is a valid drop target. Then an event listener is added for dragLeave. This event is triggered when a draggable item leaves the drop target area. When this happens, we remove the Draggover class, which would typically reverse any visual cues added during Draggover. Finally, we handle the drop event. Here we retrieve the data that was set during the dragStart using data transfer getData. This is the point where the directive's value, which should be a function, is called with the transferred data as an argument, along with the event object. Following the successful drop, the Draggover class is removed, indicating that the drop action is complete.